Hi everybody, it's David here. Today I'm going to show you a demo of how you can use hotglue with Databox, a data visualization platform. So let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to do is go to flows, and let me show you what flows we have set up to make this work. If you don't know what flows are, make sure to go check out our general demo and then come back to this one. So let me show you these flows. The first one is analytics, and the source we're going to use is Google Analytics. The next flow I'm going to show you is the email campaign flow, where I'm using Mailshake, a cold email campaign software. And lastly, the medium flow, I'm actually using a Chrome extension called Better Medium Stats to download a CSV file and upload it to this flow. Next, I'm going to show you the dashboard flow, which is actually how we're going to get the data into Databox. The source is going to be S3, which is where all the other flows dump their data, and the target is going to be Databox. So that's how we're going to get the data to Databox. So now let's switch over to the demo, and I'll show you how it all links together. And as you can see, the four flows we had were here, and we're going to connect our Google Analytics account first. So you just go and you sign in with whichever Google Analytics account is connected to your Google Analytics data that you would like to import. And then once you do that, it links the source, and then the Google Analytics is linked. So now I'm going to go to the email campaign flow, and we're going to link Mailshake. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to get my API, I'm going to block it out so you can't see it, and paste my API key in here and just connect. Once I do that, it links my Mailshake data, and I can go back to flows and finish up with the medium flow. So let's go back, and I actually use something called Better Medium Stats to generate the CSV. So let's go ahead and upload a file here. We're going to upload the CSV I generated from Better Medium Stats. It's called hotglue_pages and a bunch of numbers. So let's just get that and open it, and that uploads, and we'll use files. Now this is where things get a little bit interesting. You're going to want to run the job on this tab, and then we're going to go back to flows and run jobs on both the other tabs, the Google Analytics tab, and we're also going to go back to flows and run the job on the email campaign tab. Now, what this is going to do is allow you to put the data in an S3 bucket where this flow will eventually pick the data up. So let's now connect Databox. And again, we're just going to need a quick access token. I'm going to cover it up so you can't see it, and click connect. So now that we have Databox connected, we can run a job on Databox, and this will pull all the data that you just inputted into S3 out of S3 and give it to Databox. So let's click Run Job, and now it's began to run. So now that the Databox job is running, we can log into our Databox account, and the job will be finished by the time we log in. And we go to the Data Manager page, and again, this is where you got your token earlier. And now you see it says 13 metrics. So we can go in and we can go look and see that there are a bunch of metrics here who have just been put in from the data dump that we just did with hotglue. So now that you have these metrics available, you can select some of them to add to your own metrics page. I'm going to select opens on my initial campaign. That's a Mailshake metric. Now if we go look at our metrics, you can see that it's there as long as another one I added. And every time you push data, this will actually give you a number, but we're using test accounts, so you won't see a number here. The thing here is you don't want to go and do that every time. So what you're going to want to go do is go to your flow and go create a sync schedule. The plan is here that it'll automatically sync the data that you've connected daily. So you won't have to go and update it every time that you want to push new data to Databox. It'll do it automatically every night, so you never have to worry about it again. And that's really it. That's all there is to using Databox and hotglue together. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I hope this demo turned out to be a little bit helpful in helping you visualize your KPIs for your business.